if you're looking for a monitor stand, look no further. These are the best, hands down, best monitor stands. Do not look at anything else. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I'm going to talk about two monitor stands. These both are absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. The two stands I'm going to talk about are interchangeable with each other. So you can buy multiple versions of it, and they all interact with each other to make a larger and better stand. Now, I'm at awe because it's absolutely amazing how awesome they are. So the first one, and they're already opened and unboxed, so I apologize because I needed to set this up right away. Stand V003-V is one of them. Awesome product. And the other one is the Stand V012. Both of these are absolutely incredible, and they're backward compatible with each other, like I told you. Now, I needed to set up two new monitors. I had an old setup. I got rid of this hex monitor stand. Well, I didn't get rid of it. I'm using it someplace else. And I set up two 38-inch ultra-wide monitors, plus a 29-inch ultra-wide monitor, and these two stands came in handy. And it took me a long time to figure out what I wanted to do and how I wanted to do it. And these are the absolute best because, one, you have an option to be able to put it down underneath the desk and clamp on. So if you want to clamp on, it comes with a clamp. All right, this is a big thing because if you don't have the ability to screw through a desk, and you need to have it screw and clamp on, you have that ability. So this and this gets screwed together, and then the pole gets screwed to this. All right, so this is a must-have. I'm giving this to JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, and I'm going to recommend this higher than anything that I've ever recommended because it does both types of conductivity to a table and to a desk. I prefer screwing it through and bolting it down because it comes with everything that you need. It even comes with all the cable management stuff. Comes with the VESA mounting screws. Everything that you need for a 75-inch, imagine 75 millimeter and 100 millimeter VESA mounts. The 38-inch LGs are 100 millimeter by 100 millimeter. This works perfect. Okay, so I mean, unbelievable. And the best part about this is the thing that I'm going to show you, is that the V012 has an arm, okay, and it comes out. These arms you could take apart and you can extend them. So if you wanted to extend it a little further, because usually you have the knuckle, then you have a bar, and then you have a bar, and then you have the places where the two monitors will go. I, on the other hand, took it apart. I needed it extended longer to the left side of the screen of the other monitors. I'll show you pictures. And I mounted another ultra wide, and I needed an extension like this to be able to mount it to the side of the other monitors. It's actually, I love this. They're very strong, well made. Great product. I'm very impressed. I can't say more about this. If you're looking for a monitor stand, this is the one to get. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this bad boy. I have detailed pictures of everything. You're gonna love it. So guys, if you think this video deserves a thumbs up and you love it and you are considering looking for a stand, this is the one to get. I'm telling you hands down. I've bought hex monitor stands and I'm still using it. I love it. But having a capability of having different monitor stands compatible with which I'm so tongue-tied here, compatible with each other is out of this world amazing. And that alone gets to JoeteckTips, because you can buy two stands, two different ones, and combine the two to make one cool one. So anyway, guys, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.